What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. I am lead trader, co-founder, owner of Option Goats Trading LLC. That's right, we are a Discord server. If you go to our website that looks just like this, scroll down all the way where it says join for free, it'll take you to the Discord that looks just like this. What that means is that you open up all these different channels that provide different types of information that can basically put more eyes on the market for yourself to empower you, empower your decisions, and help you become a more active trader, maybe be more alert. Maybe you find something useful in the chat. If you don't, that's fine too, but it's definitely good to be in some type of community to look when you are trading. So first things first, make sure you hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video, and also like and subscribe to the Option Goats Trading YouTube. I've made a weekly swing recap every week and going over the positions I've done, positions I haven't done, lost, won. It's more of just a reflection of all the trades that I've done. I've been doing this for over a year now. Actually, it'll be a year in, it'll be a year in April. I don't know, we should probably do something special for that, like a prize or something for the members. Maybe we'll come back to that. Anyways, make sure to hit subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out our website. Now, this is for the week of February 14th. So let's start with what we had as far as profits for that week. So let's go to 14. We did collect maximum profit on our Billy spread. I did go over that on the last video. And then that week was kind of a quiet week. So let's take a look at what we had. So on the 14th, okay, so we bought a Twitter put. On that Twitter put, we did, let's see here. Let's pull up Twitter here. We did buy a put and it actually launched. So we spent, let's see, $23. This was from our cheap lease play. So this was a option that had a lot of volume. And so we spent $23. It was a weekly. And it looks like at the end of that week, let's see, because this was on the 14th. So it was right here. 15, 16, 17, 18, but it had already died so much from theta that week that we didn't get anything out of it. So that was the only play I had that week. We took in a lot of cash. We received a lot of dividends. And at the same time, SPY was also doing something a little funky with Ukraine and Russia. So our 15 was right here, and then we just declined all week. So did we pick the right call or put? Yes, we picked the put. Did we pick the right strike and the right stock? Probably not. So we could have looked at a couple of other options, but that was the only play that we had for the week of Valentine's. And as far as what we collected on, let's see here, on 214. Yeah, and for the long term, we didn't really do much that week either. It was a little bit of a quiet week. Let's see if we had any updates on any positions. So, okay, yeah, Monday we were up 13%, then we were up 26%, then we're up 40%, up 44%. So we were up 44% on the Twitter put. I basically said on my cheap leads, I usually just hold them until expiration. I hold on to them. I don't really change it. I said, this is a good exit point. I'm holding till expiration, saddle up or get out, green while you still can. Ended up being 70% on the day. And then we ended up losing 100% of that premium that day. So we had a SOXL spread that we were holding, and then we ended up cutting it. SOXL was taking a hit. That was our spread that looked like this. Let's see if we can pull it up here. It looked just like this. It was right up there. And then of course, let's see, this was on the 17th and the 18th. It was right here in between the spreads. And I said, you know what, I'll just take the minus 5%. It was only like a couple bucks. And it ended up going down further the next day. So another reason why I usually like to hold my stuff all the way down, because now I feel FOMO as far as, because I missed out because I got out of the position. There's a lot of plays that I could have, yeah, anyways, I didn't trade that much that week. So it was a good recap and a good reflection on some of the other positions that I had. We ended up being up 46% on BABA. So taking a look at BABA, this is what BABA looked like when we had BABA for the spread. So we had the 130, 135 spread and it was up 46% on the Friday of that week. And then we ended up being 30% on the Twitter spread that we have right now. Currently, if I check the Twitter spread, let's check here. On the Twitter spread I have right now, I am up 32%. So it hasn't really changed too much. This is the one that we ended up we had because I know we got rid of it the week after, but during that week we were up 63% on Baba and then up 42% on Twitter. So those were really good positions. I was really happy about that. Yeah, I couldn't be happier about those positions that week. So we ended up green very much so during that week. We didn't close anything for profits, but it still ended up being very very useful. So again, so we went over the profits. Let's go over some of the member trades during the 14th through the 18th. So again, we were a little bit light because the whole week I think we were thinking it was going to go up. So a lot of people went long on stuff and we ended up diving the whole week. So it was a little quiet, which is fine. You know, it seemed like most of the members managed their risk well, that they weren't totally wiped or they took it light that day. So it was, you know, it was just another week of trading. So here's the Twitter that Cuzzy got. And also congratulations, Cuzzy is now a technical analyst instead of a member now. So awesome, Cuzzy. Up 28% on his Twitter put. Got day trade on space, made 50%, 190, 270, 350. My gosh, that is awesome. AES 450, 500, 530, killing it. SPY call, killing it there. And then also making up money there on SPY. MACD, throwing out some TA there, just killing it. Nas, Cuzzy, and AES just killing it for the week of Valentine's. So super excited to see what else that brings us. Make sure if you're interested in joining the Discord server, make sure you use the code SPRING30. You'll pay $30 per month for 3 months instead of 60. So keep that in mind for next week. This overall week, so let's see here. Let's pull this up. I don't think I took any of these. Ford is not looking too good right now. It's still way underneath the 50 SMA. We're looking for some kind of support here that we'll hit just because we have long calls for next February. And then we also have some money in Osmo that looks just like this. It's been popping off recently, which is great. We have not got our miner yet for helium, so still waiting for that. And then we are just collecting more and more money into SHIB, which I'll go over in next week's video. So this was just a short video just because we didn't have a lot of trading going on as far as me. I already had 7 or 8 positions during that week. So we're kind of, we had Baba, Twitter, and then we also had a Twitter put. We also had a SOXL spread that we ended up closing, and then we got the money back from Billy. In the next video, I'll be going over some of the dividends that we got from the stock, just because that is a really good overview for us. We're also getting towards the end of the month and just checking to see who's going to win the next month's Hall of Fame. So thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe of the YouTube. Again, this is just a reflection of the trades I had, the members that we have in the Discord. I'm not telling you to become a better trader. I'm not telling you this is the way to do it. This is just the way we've been doing it. And it's not following somebody's position. It's getting ideas from other traders and sparking your own interest or sparking your own strategy and learning from others at the same time. Just because if you're by yourself and you're trading, you're not going to learn much. So thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.